Hello, everybody. My name is Nicky Partridge, and I'm delighted to be here today to deliver another fantastic Gallery Teachers Masterclass. Today, we are going to be looking at the topic of critical thinking and positive collaboration in the classroom, particularly for teenagers. However, there will be lots of aspects that are just equally as relevant for learners of all ages, so going from teenagers through to adults. So it's really, really important to attend this workshop because, as we will see, critical thinking is not so much of a skill as it is a mindset, a habit, that as educators, we should really be constantly striving to develop in our learners, because this is a life skill that is needed not only for academic reasons, but also for people's lives ahead. It's also a fantastic way to get people speaking, communicating, listening to English around some really, really interesting discussion topics. So if you are a teacher who maybe hasn't fully got to grips with what critical thinking means, what positive collaboration is, how to create that culture in your classroom. Maybe you want to, but you really are not really sure how to do that. Or perhaps you're looking for some ideas. There'll be some practical tips on discussion topics on where you can find more topics to introduce into your teenage classroom. And finally, we will also be looking at some asynchronous platforms that you can use to support your learners. Really looking forward to seeing you there. All the best.